going on? One Nazi. It's been quite a bit since I actually did anything with the progress of what's going on with the vehicle, but yep. Told y'all I was gonna do it, and I did it without a manual. I was able to do what I had to do. And there it is. Got that thing out of there. So now we can actually start disassembling this thing. I get to check this clutch out finally, because this is a brand new clutch, but I want to see kind of what the condition of it is. It was a little bit dirty in that bell housing, so I had to kind of clean that out yesterday, but I think what I'm going to do is take my power washer to it and do that. But this is essentially what we're going to be doing today. Just kind of taking things off. I'm going to take these headers from an HR off, and I'm going to remove the bolts and then take this clutch out. And then I think Sunday what I'm going to do is get that on this engine stand there, and then we will start the teardown process. So there'll be a few videos of that. But anyway, this is where we've been at. Been off camera for a little bit, just trying to hustle and get things done. Put together this hoist thing, all of that, so y'all knew about that already. But that's where we're at. So finally got this thing out, and now we're actually going to start working on it finally. That's not what I wanted to do. Didn't want to do that. Man, looks like that clutch was slipping too. Let me see the difference. Yeah, it was slipping. I got heat marks all over it. I still got meat on here. Alright, so I still got meat on this clutch. This is an extremely raw video, so I apologize. There are times where I'm just not really talking, but if you don't want to watch it, you don't have to. Anyway, that clutch is still good. We can still use that. Okay, I need some special bolts that I don't have. Some special sockets that I don't have. Oh man, I did not anticipate that. I don't even know what I can use with that. What is that? What do I use with this? Alright, what's up y'all? So, progress. We were able to get the flywheel and everything off. I'm ordering a Nismo pilot bearing because it actually has bearings instead of just being one solid metal piece like this. It actually has bearings, which basically means no metal to metal contact really. Everything rotates without any kind of drag, so it's a little bit longer life. Actually can help a little bit. So anyway, it was definitely slipping on the clutch because I got all this dust in here. It shouldn't be this much dust, but if the clutch is slipping, then that's what it is. But I would assume that that would happen under some of the conditions that the car has gone through. But anyway, so just disembark these, and now I'm just trying to just keep in mind for the studs where the studs are, because this is a DE, not an HR, but I'm using HR parts on here. So anyway, now essentially what I'm going to do is remove this heat shielding so that way I can make this ready so I can actually wrap these so I don't have these metal coverings on there. Not that it's going to really make that big of a difference when I heat wrap them, but it will actually drop a little bit of weight on there if I don't have these heat shields on there. I have the original HR heat shield that goes over the top of these, so if I can't get them off, then I will just put those on instead of wrapping it. But if I can get everything off, then I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap the whole header assembly. Alright, finally got this thing mounted. A buddy of mine came over to help me get this thing mounted. It was kind of tricky to figure out where to mount these little support rods, and had to do some finagling, but we got it together. So now I can actually start to separate this thing. Since I don't have this bottom half of the motor connected to these little support rods for this engine stand, I should be able to unbolt and just lift this off. And then once I lift this off, then I'll be able to get access to taking this completely off, and then we can get the cams and stuff out of here. So anyway, that's where we're at on this thing. But I'm gonna save this for tomorrow. Not tomorrow, but Sunday. Sunday fun day. Alright. Now I just gotta clean up all this mess. But that's it right there.